Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did this cool effect.
Triple referee, tell by my attitude that I most definitely
Make sure to watch the video until the end, to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footages to the timeline. They need to be very similar. The only difference is that the one is shot more closely. Find the point when the music slows down and there you make a cut. Add the more closely took shot. Slowed it down. Then when the music speed up, make another cut and speed up the last clip. Now go to Effects and search for Movie 3 effect. Add it to the second and third clip. Then choose Overlay, Old Film and select the Anime 3 effect. Add it again to the second and third clip. And finally add the Cinema effect. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.